Understanding soil moisture levels, a guide for gardeners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for all gardeners and farmers, but also interesting for anyone curious about how nature works. We're talking about soil moisture levels. This concept is not just scientific jargon. It's a key factor in determining the health of plants and the efficiency of water use in agriculture. So, let's get our hands dirty, metaphorically, and explore what soil moisture levels are all about. Soil moisture level refers to the amount of water present within the soil. Imagine soil as a sponge. Just as a sponge can be dry, damp, or fully soaked, soil can also vary in moisture. This moisture is crucial for plant health because plants absorb water from the soil through their roots. Too little moisture, and plants can't get the water they need to survive and grow. Too much moisture, and plants may suffocate as waterlogged soil can prevent air from reaching the roots. Understanding and managing soil moisture levels is important for several reasons. First, it helps ensure optimal plant growth. Different plants have different water needs, and knowing the moisture level of your soil can help you water your plants just right. Second, it's essential for water conservation. By understanding the moisture level in the soil, gardeners and farmers can avoid overwatering, saving a precious resource. Lastly, it helps in preventing plant diseases. Overly moist conditions can lead to root rot and other diseases. There are a few ways to measure soil moisture levels, ranging from simple manual methods to using advanced technology. A straightforward method is the field test, where you simply grab a handful of soil and feel it. If it's dry, it will feel crumbly. If it's moist, it will hold together but not feel waterlogged. For a more precise measurement, you can use a soil moisture meter, a tool that you insert into the soil to get a moisture reading. Managing soil moisture levels involves regularly checking the soil, understanding the water needs of your plants, and adjusting your watering habits accordingly. Mulching can help retain soil moisture, while proper drainage ensures that excess water can escape, preventing waterlogging. It's all about finding the right balance to meet the specific needs of your plants. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of soil moisture levels and how you can manage them to ensure your plants thrive. Remember, every plant and every soil is different, so it's about observing, learning, and adjusting as you go. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.